let's go to see the multiple choices for chapter 2. Number 1, the relative frequency of a class is computed by dividing the frequency of the class by the sample size. So the relative frequency is equal to the frequency over n. Number 2, a frequency distribution is a tabular summary of a set of data that shows the frequency of items in each of the several non-overlapping classes. So this is going to be C. Multiple choice 3, the keyword is fraction. So this is going to be the relative frequency distribution. Number 4, qualitative data can be represented by using a bar graph. The bars have to be separated. While, for number 5, the most common graphical presentation of quantitative data is the histogram, where the bars are going to be connected. And these are the multiple choice for chapter 2. Let's move on with the problems. So first of all, we have to create a frequency distribution and a relative frequency distribution. So for the frequency, we have to count how many management majors we have. So after we count the management, the frequency will be 12. We have 9 accounting, 6 economics, and 3 other. For the relative frequency, we have 30 students. So n is equal to 30. So we have to divide the frequency over the total, which is 30. So the first one will be 0.4. The next one will be 0.3. Next one will be 0.2. And the last one, 3 over 30, 0.1. This is the bar chart by using Excel, and we use the frequency. If you want, you may use the relative frequency too. The bar will be identical. And then we have the pie chart. And also we use Excel for the pie chart, and we have also the percentages. For problem number 2, the first class will be 50-59. So then we have the remaining of the classes, 60-69, 70-79, 80-89, 90-99. So the first step is to count the frequency between 50 and 59. The frequency will be 3. And these are going to be the 3 observations between 50 and 59. Between 60 and 69, the frequency is 2, 63 and 65, and then we continue. 70-79, we have 5 observations. 80-89, we have 4, and 90-99, we have 6, for a total of 20 observations. You can double check. 3 plus 2, 5, plus 5, 10, plus 4, 14, plus 6, 20. Relative frequency, we follow the same steps. The first one will be 3 over 20 over the total, which is 0.15, 2 over 20, 0.1, and then we continue. 5 over 20, 0.25, 4 over 20, 0.2, and 6 over 20, 0.3. The summation of the relative frequencies has to be equal to 1. And for the same problem, we have the histogram. Don't forget that the bars have to be connected for the histogram. Again, we use Excel, And finally, we have the stem and leaf display. One more time, this is 52, which is going to be the minimum observation, and the maximum, which is going to be the 99. And these are the exercises and the multiple choices for chapter 2.